Welcome to the another episodes about the fundamentals of investing, where we will learn why do we need to manage our portfolio over time. Well, it's quite simple. You need to manage your portfolio over time to minimize the risk, to maximize your return, and to achieve your investment goals. Let us give you 5 easy tips to do this. Start with the foremost basic one. Review your portfolio regularly. Now, reviewing portfolio means that your portfolio must align with your investment goals and your risk tolerance. So try to consider rebalancing your portfolio periodically so it can be diversified and balanced at the time. Moving on with the next one, which says stay updated with the market trends. Market trends can drastically affect your return on investment. So try to keep an eye on the market trends and set your portfolio accordingly to minimize the risk and to maximize your profit. Also, stay diversified. This is the golden rule of managing your portfolio. Diversification is the key to minimize the risk in your portfolio. So make sure that your portfolio consists of diversified assets such as stock, bond, real estate, and many more. And also make sure these all assets are aligned with your investment goals and your risk tolerance. Moving on with the next one, which says keep eye on the fee. Fees can eat up most of your investment returns over a period of time. So we would suggest you to be aware about all the fees that are associated with your investments. So try to minimize them as much as possible and also diversify your portfolio accordingly so you can pay the less fees and can bring the more profit in your investment. And coming up with the last one, which says consider your tax implications. We all know that tax have significant impacts over your return on the investments. So try to consider tax implications of buying and selling of the investments. And also make sure that you all are working with the tax professional to optimize your portfolio for the tax efficiency. So follow these 5 tips that will help you to make sure that your portfolio is aligned with your investment goals and your risk tolerance. And also do not forget to hit that follow button to stay updated with more personal finance advices from Penny Calling Penny.